Oh, it was just wonderful. The way Kamal's whole team coordinated and communicated with me regarding the whole project, it was really awesome, to be honest. Yeah. To be honest with everything, like the whole setup, the way it's been done, the waterfall there, the longer bench top, the range hood, the kitchen, the cooktop, and the sink, even the sink. So everything actually fits together. So I won't actually point out any single item. I would say the whole project is done marvelously. Obviously, yes. If anybody wants a recommendation, I would definitely will ask them to go with Kamal's team because their commitment level, their communication level, and their dedication towards their work was outstanding. And the way they did the whole thing in just a couple of days was something which amazed me, to be honest. Thank you.